Charming coastal cottage rebuilt with permits. New framing, doors, roof, kitchen, bathroom, bedrooms, flooring, laundry room, windows, plumbing, electrical, hot tub, porch, privacy barrier. Stainless steel appliance, glass backsplash in kitchen, wood stove. This is a beautiful cottage in a private area of Depoe Bay, just far enough away from the business district to be private and close enough to be on the boardwalk in just minutes. Loads of parking and easy to maintain landscaping with native plants and trees. With everything new and clean, this is a great place for either a permanent home or a weekend getaway. Depoe has wonderful restaurants and shopping and charter boats. If you're looking for all the fun of coastal living and like new and nice, this might be your perfect location.